I think that is the sentiment with which we should take this particular idea of President Macron jogging in Mumbai today.
If we could get some more context about the significance of special global strategic partnership, A. Secondly, how significant is it that Mr. Macron spoke of his stance against terror? Why is it significant for India? And thirdly, his visit actually began in Mumbai with a jog on the city streets. I am sorry, but did it have any security alert? Was there, how was that handled? Because it wasn't a part of his official program, as I understand. Thank you.
We have a question there.
Yeah, hi, Anurag from ET Now. And perhaps my colleague can feel the rest, and the one on jog by ASXP, though I was very curious when you mentioned whether jogging was part of the official program, because I'd like to know, I'd like to know, when is jogging part of an official program, ever, right? On the strategic partnership, you're aware that India and France established a strategic partnership going back to 1998. And it was, I think, our first with a Western country. And since then, France has emerged as one of our most important strategic partners, not only within Europe, but globally. And you would also recall that both India and France celebrated 25 years of our strategic partnership in 2023, when both countries unveiled the Horizon 2047 roadmap to set the agenda for the next 25 years. And that's probably the most ambitious roadmap we have with any other country. Now, the relationship has become increasingly comprehensive over the years. 25 years is a long time. And both of our countries are working together on all the global challenges of the day, whether it's technological challenges like the kind of we are seeing today, or energy transition, or climate resilience. And therefore, both the leaders felt that it was time that we elevate our relationship to special global strategic partnership to truly reflect the level and the depth and the uniqueness of the kind of partnership which we have. So I think that's the broad background and significance. And this is going to further deepen our partnership in a host of areas. So whether it's digital technologies or cyberspace, innovation, renewable energy, counterterrorism, blue economy, Indo-Pacific, maritime security, health, education, culture. These are areas, some of these areas we already have ongoing cooperation, but the very fact that now we've elevated it, it's going to intensify it further. And as I mentioned, we've also decided to have an annual foreign ministers dialogue to take stock of not only strategic issues, but also the implementation of this Horizon 2047 roadmap. Yeah, thank you.
Anurag, on double taxation. The background has been we did have a double taxation agreement with France, but that was outdated, and also it was needed to renew it in the present context. So we did sign a protocol which amend this double taxation avoidance agreement, and which will facilitate investment, which will also benefit from double taxation, both primarily, of course, it's targeted at the businesses, but I think also for the people. I mean, details will come soon. I think Finance Ministry will provide details of it. But we were trying to enter this agreement for a long time, and I don't think it will take much time to be effective. As soon as, it should be, from our side, processes are complete after signature. And from French side, I can't give timeline, but will be implemented very soon.
It will include security transactions also.
I'll have to see details. Maybe you can check.
Those are technical details,
which will emerge from the Finance Ministry. I think they will issue a press release after this. About the Rafales, with France, our partnership in defense it's very deep, it's very diverse. partnership covers virtually all platforms, whether it's a naval platform or air platforms. And if you see, recently we had procured this 26 Marine Rafale. So all aspects were discussed, and you have seen in the news the further discussions which happened on several arrangements. Like today we inaugurated this H-125 helicopter assembly line, which is the first ever in the private sector. So it's a strong partnership, and yes, all matters of bilateral cooperation were discussed. And as we are speaking, I think our defense minister are meeting in Bangalore for annual defense dialogue. And I think last point was on terror for you. I didn't get that question. Can you?
I said, how significant is it that France, the French president, should take a stance on terror after coming here as one of the first things?
No, I mean, for the terrorism, our position has been so clear since the beginning, and we have been at the receiving end. With France, the collaboration is very strong, and I think the document which will come out after this meeting, you will see a very strong commitment to fight terrorism in all forms and manifestations. So I think French president making this mention on terrorism itself reflects the depth of our partnership and our close collaboration on the matter. Thank you.
So coming to they liked it. You know that Mumbai hosts several marathons, and to have this sort of public exposure centered around health conveys a very good message to the youth of India, the youth across the world. I think that is the sentiment with which we should take this particular idea of President Macron jogging in Mumbai today.